Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Data IQ. In this video, we'll look into one of the thought-provoking interview questions that is on DAX functions used in Power BI. This question is asked to get the measures of how much your concept is clear on DAX and its uses. If you'll answer it, you'll ace your Power BI interview questions because this is the question that they ask how you are outstanding from other candidates. So let's see the difference between filter and filter. So they'll ask what is the difference between filter and filters, or have you ever heard the functions filter and filters? So in this video we'll see the difference between filter and filters. Filters, first we'll look into the syntax. Filters, the syntax will be and its column name, and filter will be table that there you have to be passed to parameter table and filter expression. Filter expression means how you're going to filter your table. So on basis of that it will give you an output. The next difference is returns the values that are directly applied as filters to a column. As it you can see in the syntax itself, you can only pass column name, so it will only return a values that are directly applied as filters to a column. So whatever filter you are applying to a column, it will pass that. We'll also see an example how it's differentiate, how filters is different from filter. This is a theoretical differentiations. Filter returns a table that represents a subset of another table or expression. As you can see in the syntax itself, it clarifies first parameter is table and another one is a filter expression. So it's asking for table, what table you want to filter, and then the second parameter it's asking for filter expression based on columns or whatever filter you want to apply. Write it down, and it will return a table that represents a subset of another table. We'll see how it's going to differentiate with an example. Let's hop into Power BI desktop. So let's see. We have a table data set that it talks about customer code, customer name, customer last name, country, IOS and zip code. It's a sample data set that I have used, and this information. Now I want to see how filter and filters are being used. So let's create a new table. We'll give the table name filter table 1 equals to, I'm going to use filter. As you can see, it says table and filter expressions returns a table that has been filtered. So I want to filter my customer table based on country. So I have column called country where I want to see only for France, France. So it will give me the output. So see, it created a subset of my customer table, but only with the country France. There, as you can see, you had other countries as well, Belgium, Netherlands, but the subset is giving me only for France. So this is how you can create a filter. Now we'll see how filters work. So filters table 1 equals to, see, filters function, as you can see, returns filters column name, returns a table of filters values applied directly to the specified column. So here you can only pass column name. So I'll see that I want to see country, customer country, and this. See, it's giving me distinct value of my country. So if you see in the customer table, you have Belgian, you have 3 distinct values and 12 rows. Now we'll see in the table. So this is my customer table. I have country Belgium, France, Netherlands and customer 4, right? Count of customer. This is my filter table, how it's going to look. France, because I'm only returning data from filter table, and the customer, as you can see, 4, and it's giving you 4. And then you'll see it's giving me the distinct country that I am picking it from filters table, that is Belgium, France and Netherlands. Here also you can see in my customer table you have Belgium, France and Netherlands. So this is how you can use filter and filter tables, and this is its difference. So we'll jump to the next. So it says returns distinct values from the given parameter that I showed. It's giving me filters is giving me distinct value of my country. So it says returns distinct value from the given parameter. Whereas in filter function modified filters on the basis of given values in column and create a separate table of specific record. So it has given me a subset of my customer table only for France, and you can see all other information about that. So customer which is in France and its detail. So this is how you can use filter table. I hope it's clear. Thank you. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and comment.